Hello dear students, I hope you are all fine and well. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to access your Moodle account. Now in this video I'm going to talk about the subject computer skills for accounting. After you're going to access your Moodle using your official Jihan University account, what do you need to do after that? You're going to select your course, and for this video the course is computer skills for accounting department. What are you going to see in this interface Moodle? The first thing, this is a link to show you what is your course book, your syllabus, how we're going to distribute your marks, your reference, the weeks as well, a sample of questions, ECTS, how much is the ECTS or the units. Everything is discussed here, a profile of mine as well. The other thing is announcements. If we can see, dear students, I hope you are well. Moodle lesson and activities and Google meetings are very important and will be considered in grading. Best regards. So Moodle is very important, as well as the activities as discussion, quizzes, assignments. Everything is important. Now the other thing you're going to see here is practical attendance. We're going to click on it and you can see how much have you attended in every class. Dear students, attending lesson in Moodle and or in campus is very important, and there are some rules in our course. Students without absence will get extra marks. Each absence your mark will be reduced 1 mark, that means -1, and best of luck. The other thing in the main Moodle for computer skills is the reference book. This is the official reference book. Now some of the students are clicking on this reference book link and they can't access it. Why? Let's see an example. Click on it and you're going to see this. This is because you are using your own email. Now try to use Jihan University, because everything will be accessed through Jihan University account. So just change, don't press request, change or sign in if you don't have, sign into another account, and we're gonna see this one right here, Jihan University. Select this one, continue. Same thing for mobile, there is no difference. Now I can access the reference book easily. Now we're gonna go for the topics. Every week you're gonna see something like this. We call it topic. So week 1, the name of this week, what are we gonna give you, computer types and components, and the date from 29th of November to 3rd of December. Inside every topic you're gonna see this symbol. That means that this one is a lesson. Click the lesson and you're gonna see a lesson as pages. So this is page 1 in your lesson, Introduction to Computer Skills. What is a computer, the computer components, hardware, software, and keep on going. Next page is just like here, input devices and output devices. Click on it. You're gonna see as well a brief description about this page. Types of computers, we're gonna go for the types of computers as well. What is Windows, how we have the GUI and CLI, what are the desktop screen, and keep on going. We have also mouse. This is the mouse, and when you see end of lesson, that means your lesson has finished. Sometimes you're gonna see a quiz at the end of each lesson, and sometimes you don't. Okay, end of lesson. Now this one is finished. How to go back to our computer skills Moodle from here. Just click on this and we're going back. What else you're gonna see in your topic? The reference for week 1 only. We have put you a reference for this week only, not the whole book like this one. No, only reference for week 1. You're gonna see it right here. The other thing, as we can see here, week 2, email, Moodle and Windows. This is a lesson. Now this one is an online activity, a discussion week 2. That means I'm gonna give you a topic and we're gonna discuss it together like this. I'm gonna give you any discussion, or we're gonna discuss it together, how to solve an issue or what is the problem. We also have a reference for each week. Here there is another online activity which is quiz, and I think most of you have done the quiz. Just select, and now this one is closed because the date and number of attempts. Go back, let's see week 4. You're gonna see Windows 10. This is the lesson. Now this one is an assignment. Instead of we have 3 types of online activity: discussion, quiz and assignment week 4. Click on the assignment week 4 and let's see what do we have. Write a report about how to change the desktop background in Windows 10. Note: the report must have a title. The report must be at least 75 words. Use Microsoft Word 2019 to do your report. Font size must be 14. Don't copy and paste. You need to type it by yourself. You're gonna see your status here. How many attempts did you do? What is the grade? When this assignment will finish at 31 of December. How much days do you have? You have 10 days and 5 hours. Add submission. Just click on it when you finish your report. Search for your file and drag it right here, then save change, and that means you have submitted your assignment. Sometimes in different weeks maybe you're gonna see another link just like this one which has a video lesson. Now this video lesson will explain how to do some of your duties or some of your lectures that I gave you in lab and campus. So pay attention to it and see the video till the end. If you have any questions, I'm available at university from 8 to 3 o'clock. After that you can contact me through your official email or through Moodle e-learning system. Thanks very much and see you next lecture.